let's get started. All you need is a wooden Christmas tree right here, paint palette, paint, and paint brushes. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna take my paintbrush here, and I'm gonna paint around the tree. Now we are painting the middle part of our tree. So we finished the top part, now we're getting ready to do the middle part and then the bottom part. Now it's time to paint the bottom of our tree. Okay guys, and that is how you paint a wooden Christmas tree. It actually looks really good and it's really smooth, and I think we kind of used a lot of green paint for this. But yeah, this is a really amazing craft for the holidays, and yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon in another video. Bye!